For class 10, April 2023, 1 mark question, 12 questions. Question வந்து இதனுடைய PDF given in the description box. So question paper ஓட link வந்து it is given down. You can see that. இங்கே answer for first question. இது வந்து option number. So totally 12 questions. So fourth one E, fifth one, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, question number 12. So இது தமிழ் மீடியத்துக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து 2 mark question in the next video. April 2023, 2 mark question in the next video. Then for English medium, April 2023, 1 mark question. இந்த question paper நுடைய PDF வந்து descriptionல இருக்கு. லிங்க் descriptionல பார்த்துக்க. For first question, either positive or negative. Second one, third, then fourth one, fifth, question number 6, then question number 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 mark. Next April 2023 னுடைய 2 mark question we see in the next video. So thank you. If it is useful, you please share it to your friends and subscribe my channel Gomadi Maths and English. Thank you.